Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. My name is Ferizum Shapa, and this is our special guest is Hanifiras Kaisa.
Hello everyone, and thank you, Rafiero, for inviting me to this
Yeah.
podcast.
Yeah, my pleasure. So, we are gonna talk about internet, so big internet. So, Hanif, what is internet to you?
Well, the internet is a global web network that
Mhm.
is connected to each other around the world to device and many computers. And the internet is allow people to get information, share that information, and then get a lot of different services in the internet.
So, we are student, right?
Yes.
So, what the benefit for our university student like us?
Well, there is a lot of benefit that we get as a student for using the internet, like literally a lot. But I will say the main one. That is the first. As a student, we can read articles and use that article for a reference to make a paper, and then we can watch video to make something. For example, like a paper or a certain project that we need for a guidance. And then we can use it to collaborate with a friend to do our project if that friend is far away from us. And then we can student also use for example like online classes. For example, they can use a many platform
Like what?
like Zoom, WhatsApp, or Discord, or and also and that's it. But yes.
That's a lot, right? So
Yeah.
many students like you can use many platform like Google Meet and Zoom and just like you said Discord, right?
Yes.
So internet, we'll talk about internet. So internet is big, right?
Very big,
Yeah.
massive.
So many people like scared about hackers. So many malicious links like suspicious links. So what is according to you for making us safe for not clicking that link?
Well, first of all, for example, like a suspicious link that like a giveaway or an email that we never seen before. Don't just click it. Well, just don't enter it. For example, you need to check the link itself. For example, that the URL name of it. For example, www Microsoft. And then that is the official Microsoft link. But if you see for example, like Microsoft net stuff like that, don't just click it. You just see if the original link from Microsoft website is that true or not. And second of all, for creating a really strong password. For example, don't just create password like Rafiero 123. That's just an easy password.
That's bad one, right?
Yes, just an easy password that every people or hacker just password
Easily.
guess your account easily get it. We need to create a strong one. For example, we need to have an uppercase, a letter, then a number, and a character. For example, this character is like a hashtag or an at a Gmail.
So, many people so using this internet. So, what is benefits of people using this internet?
Well, there is a lot. For example, getting a specific information that we want. For example, what is the how many coffee that the student need to drink, or what have two animals, something like that. The specific information that we just want to search. And secondly, you can watch video, like a tutorial, and then communicating with other people around the world, and just use the internet as an entertainment.
So, for the last one, you use on internet like daily use? Like are you using YouTube or what?
Well, for there is many platform that I use. For example, like as a student, like Figma
Mhm.
or like a Canva for editing, making a poster or a PPT presentation, and then also Google for finding a reference, then a Google Meet for when a professor needed to do an online classes, and then
That's right.
well, the university website also providing their ebook, so we cannot just always buy that physical book. So we just need to download that soft soft
File.
Yes.
Okay, that's it for us. So that's our podcast. Goodbye, everyone. So see you next time.
Hi everyone. In this podcast, our topic is that we will talk about artificial intelligence, or you may also usually call it AI. And my name is Hanifir Kaisan, and here we have a very special guest, that is Rafiero Yuza Musyafa.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, good. How are you today?
I'm very, very good. How about you?
Okay. Let's talk AI about the basic. So, what do you think about AI?
So simply put, AI just like computers, and they have a brain. So we are humans, make it AI.
Yes.
So for like making our like the everyday use to become easy. So I use like AI for like if they use like using for academy, I feel like academy, just like Gemini, ChatGPT or Cloud, or something simply put I use for code. So it's really making us very easy to use. So we can just like making a code from scratch,
Yes.
from the zero. No, so we don't use that like anymore. So we can use as AI. So making our like a simple website.
Okay. So, what is the pros and cons for AI?
So I'm gonna talk about cons first.
Yeah.
So cons first, we are using AI every day. We can become lazy.
Yes, of course.
Is that right? So we are lazy, so we can just
Just copy and paste.
yeah, that's right. So we can just ask we like asking question like the easy one.
Yes.
Because we are lazy, right? So we just ask AI, so AI just giving our information. Just that's it, right?
So we just don't read what AI just type, or
Yeah.
just
We just like trust the AI,
uh,
what he's just type, right? So the pros was like make it us the life easier, right? I'm right.
for example.
Just like I said like, earlier, like we are developers, like we can just type the code from zero, from scratch. We can just talk about with AI. So we are on 2026, right? So if AI is everywhere, everywhere.
Yes.
That's right. That's all.
Okay. So, what is the future for AI for nowadays?
What's example?
For example, like will AI evolve for like having more intelligent, or for example giving them a body, or making them a more physically robot rather than just chatting bot.
So I was like searching in the internet about AI. Professors like Mark Zuckerberg,
Elon Musk.
yeah, Elon Musk, he's making a robots from AI. So he used the chips. So like that's why our like RAM, SSD, and CPU and VGA,
Yes.
just that's making more expensive now because AI. That's the main reason. So AI just making our features like more evolve. So like more smart. Like we're not like humans anymore. So we can just like that.
Okay. So, and another one is, will AI ruin our world, or humans? For example, will they take our jobs? For example?
Maybe not. for me like not every day every work to take our jobs, no, because AI just like making mistakes, right?
Yes.
So the AI just we need humans too. So we can fix it the error. So AI can just fix the error by itself.
Okay. So, Rio, this is the final question for our podcast. What do you usually use or different AI for your everyday life, work, or like every day? What do you usually work?
So every day I use like for making my photos become like handsome or something.
Yes.
I use Gemini. So he has a Benedict Pro. It's like more advanced to make our photo becomes even live and become making yourself pretty, right? So I'm making some website too. I use Cloud for code. So he has more complex and more intelligence for smart than other models.
Okay, that's it for today, our podcast. Thank you for coming to here.
My pleasure.
That's it for today, everyone. See you another day. Bye bye.